Hey guys, AMG Nick here. I wanted to do a new video on my exhaust system. I had a new setup, custom fabricated. Basically, we just took out all the catalytics and the resonator. So it's basically straight piped. I left on the rear, the mufflers, and yeah, it's pretty damn loud. Like you could hear me from a few miles away. So let me start it up for you guys so you can hear the idle. And then I'll do an in-car driving video for you guys as well. Alright. Oh, look how many miles I got in this thing. 116,000 miles. And the thing still runs great too. I still have the check engine light. That's just basically for the O2 sensor. I have to have Eurocharged remove that for me. Now listen to the idle. You hear it's pretty loud just at idle alone. We'll do a driving video for you guys here in a second. Alright, so there you have it, guys. I don't want to cause any more noise out here. I don't need the cops coming up on me, so. But anyways, thanks again for watching. Hopefully everybody enjoyed it.